Hello, my name is Jackie Hutton from Clinical Trials Ontario. This video will demonstrate how to respond to a request from the REB or CTO for modifications to your application in CTO Stream. Throughout the video, we will explore the below features in detail. The status the application will be at once it has been sent back to the study team for changes, who receives a notification when the form is sent back, where to find the CTO or REB letter which contains a list of the requested changes, and how to resubmit the application. When Clinical Trials Ontario, or the REB of record, sends the application back for modifications, the status of the application will change. Whenever the REB of record sends the application back, the status will change to either Board of Record changes requested or PI response pending modification, depending on what step of the REB workflow the application is. When CTO sends the PIA or CIA back for corrections, the status will change to CTO revisions required for PIAs and CTO revisions requested for CIAs. The letter, which lists the required modifications, can be downloaded from the History tab of the application. When an application is sent back to the study team, email notifications are sent to the relevant parties. When a provincial application is sent back, anyone with a full access provincial level role is notified. When a center application is sent back, anyone with a full access role for the center receives a notification. Sponsors will be notified whenever a provincial or center level form is sent back for corrections. When CTO sends the PIA or CIA back, everyone listed in Section 1, including the PA and study contact, are notified. The application becomes unlocked when sent back to the study team for changes. You can enter the form through the Navigation tab to begin making the requested changes. Change the question to 1.0 from no to yes unless instructed otherwise by CTO. Answering question 1.0 as yes opens up a new resubmission information section and changes the signature requirements so that only the principal investigator or a delegate needs to sign off on the resubmission. Upload any new or revised documents into the relevant sections of the application. Delete the previous versions of the documents which are being replaced by the updated documents as they are no longer relevant to the application. If CTO or the REB has requested changes or clarifications to information in a specific question on the application, please revise the response within the application as applicable. In the Resubmission Information section, upload your response to the REB. You may also upload any other document requested by the REB which has not already been uploaded elsewhere in the application. Do not upload anything to this section if you are responding to modification requests from CTO. Once all the changes have been made, the application is ready for signature. Enter the signature section. Only the PI or a delegate needs to sign off on the resubmission. For more information on how to request signatures, please see the Requesting Signatures video tutorial in the description below. Once the form is signed, it will be resubmitted to the REB or CTO. Thank you for watching. If you have questions about CTO Stream or are having technical issues, visit support.ctontario.ca to submit a Helpdesk ticket. For more CTO Stream video tutorials, user guides, quick guides, and tip sheets, visit ctontario.ca.